Hi, it's Jan Howell from YouMakeItSimple.com. Do I have a fun and simple paper craft for you today? I'm going to show you how to make these nifty paper tulips. Make an assortment of colors, place them in a vase, write a little note on the leaf and give it as a single gift. Or these make really cute name tags for place settings at a fun luncheon or a dinner. They only take a few materials and supplies, and it's something that the kids can help make. Let's get started. You're going to need a variety of colors of medium weight, colorful paper, some shades of green for the leaves, a pair of paper scissors, craft glue, a pencil, a paper cutter comes in handy, some double-sided tape. For the stems, you'll need cloth-covered floral wire. And I have a free PDF download that you can download and print if you want. Take your sheets of colored paper and cut them 5 by 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters. For the leaves, take the template from the PDF, take your green sheet of paper and fold it on the wide side about 1.5 inches, and then just take the template. There's a place where you put that on the fold, scoot it all the way down to the end and trace it. And then you can cut another one right next to it. And just cut those out. Take your square sheet of paper, fold it in half, make a crease, open it up and fold it in half again, crease it, just open that up. We're going to be placing tape just in this area right here, your strip of tape on the right side of the fold. So then you'll flip it, and you don't have to draw this. I'm just showing you where the tape will be placed. So grab a strip of tape about 1 inch and then place it right there along the edge. So I'm placing it just about 3/4 of an inch from the edge. And just hold it in your hand and it will make a little cup. And we're just going to pinch right there at the fold. And it makes this cute little cup, but we're going to round off these side edges with your scissors. There you have the tulip shape. Grab your wire, bend one of the ends over like so, and then take your glue, just drop a few drops inside, so it's just right down in the very center of the blossom. Take the end that's not folded and stick it and poke it through the bottom. and pull pull it down and just pinch that in place. And there you have your cute flower. So a fun thing to do before you apply your leaf to the stem is just write a little note, or you can even put and use these as name tags for place settings for your luncheon with their name on it. Just cute setting by the plate. I'm just going to write a quick "I love you" on here. And take your glue and just apply some glue there. You can use a glue stick if you wanted to. There you have a cute tulip, a noted leaf. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell. Have a wonderful day, and whatever you do, choose to make it simple. We'll see you next time.